Yo guys, what is going on? Welcome to another fucking video. I know it's been a while since I've posted something, but we're here again. I honestly can't remember if I did post my Horizon car meet. I think I might have not. If not, I'll have to go home, have a suss at it and edit it out if I did. But yeah, wait a second. But fuck, it has been terrible fucking weather. Like, it's supposed to rain later today. Like, there's a car meet next week, Saturday, which I'll probably go to if it's not raining. Get some footage on that, you know, be chilling. Not bad. I think I was Jess. But yeah, fucking not much been happening, only because, yeah, fucking shit weather. But yeah, like I said, I know I did go to a Horizon meet when it started raining a little bit, this, that. I'm not too sure if I ended up getting that video out. I think I did. But yeah, again, I'm not too sure. It's been like a week and a half if I haven't, or 2 weeks if I didn't post that video. So it's been a little bit. But yeah, no, we're out here. We got a little bit of footage. Not much really happened today. Just letting you know what's happening. Oh fuck. Oh no. Oh fucking no. Fucking dog's got him. No fucking way. Probably some crackhead trying to bring drugs in. Sucked in. L. Is that R3? But it is 12:45. I have to be home before or about 1 o'clock because I have a footy game. So yeah, we're chilling. We are fucking chilling. Actually, something is new. I have a proper GoPro mount. For those who were watching my other videos, you can see every time I was recording, I had to use an attachable GoPro mount. So what happened? It just pieced over here and came up in size around. But yeah, I got a proper GoPro mount. Shout out Chin Mounts. I'll leave that in the description, you know, their URL, and then yeah, go from there. Get your own chin mount. I'm not sponsored by him. Yeah, fucking. I should be sponsored by everyone because I'm a fucking mad cunt. But yeah, it is what it is, you know. We're just chilling. We are just chilling. Oh, but yes. Something that did happen, I was out. It was yesterday too. So I was out yesterday. I was going to record a video like I'm doing now to tell you what's going on and how I haven't really been putting out any videos. And it started pissing out. I think I still have footage, but it was in speed up mode. So I'll just put it in and I'll show you. I'll see if I can slow it down at all, but I don't think I can. But yeah. That's my brother's. Oh yeah, I'm close to getting my P's. July 28th is my birthday, ladies and gentlemen. So if you know me or whatever, you know, be sure to come say happy birthday. But yeah, but like, you know what I mean, yeah. Ain't proper ride in ages. Oh, that's a 650. That's killer. Thank you. There will be 100% cops out today, I'm not gonna lie, because it is literally the one fucking good day that cops, I mean, that people can be out, aka bike riders, fucking drug dealers, everything, you know what I mean? But yeah, you know the vibes. You know the vibes. Trying to inspire people to do videos like me. Be a G. Anyway, yeah, so I started a new type of business shit to make me a bit of money every now and then, you know. Drop shipping. I know people know what that is. And if you don't, it's pretty much a third party seller where you sell products for about 4 or 5 times the amount you buy them for. And then you make your money that way. So yeah, we're chilling, you know. We're making a bit of money like that. We're making a bit of money. Ain't nothing crazy, but it's money. Money is money, you know. If you don't have money, you don't survive in this joint. Man, look at those clouds. I hope my GoPro's reading this right now. I want to call it out for my first one, not gonna lie. Chikisubi. Wow, they're like layered on top of layered type of cloud things, you know what I mean? Wow. Write something in the comments below what you think, if you think you can see anything out of that. And if you do, I'll have to go back in the YouTube video and have a look at it. Love baby girl. But shit. Surfer waves. That's not bad. I don't mind that. I don't know if my GoPro is tilted too far higher, or too high, or too low. I will have to, you know, double check in the YouTube videos. But I think it might be tilted a bit too high. But yeah, I'll catch you up, my dudes, when we are at fucking Henley Square. Super Liberty. Oh my day. Yeah, I might have to turn my music down, ain't gonna lie. There's a motherfucker from around the way.